Hey, we are in Photoshop now, and we're gonna do the same thing here. It's impressive how easy it is to correct it and straighten an image in Adobe applications. And I've got this photo open. This is one of my photos, one of the photos I'm really proud about, and it's a beautiful sunset that I shot. And as you can see here, you've got the horizon is kind of slanted and it's kind of, it's a little bit crooked. And we're gonna see how we can straighten that in Photoshop. I'm using Photoshop 2020. You can use older versions also, and it will work in the same way as usual. So to straighten an image in Photoshop, we will use the crop tool here on the left. You have the crop tool. I click on this, and multiple ways to do that. We're going to see the manual way to do it, and then we will see the quick way to do it without much effort, of course. So once I click on this on the tool, you will see those handles, and this exists it is this way in Adobe latest versions. And if you don't see this, don't worry, that depends on your version of Photoshop. So when I move a mouse to the border, you will see a kind of two-sided arrow. So if I click, and you will see I just click, I'm not doing anything, I just click, of course left click, you will see a grid. This grid will help me to straighten this image. Then if I click, and I'm turning it, you see, I can do it, eyeball this so that I can straighten the image. And then when I release, you will see, you will basically see that the work it has done, it has straightened it, but as you see on the border, it had to eliminate those border images, those border parts. But make sure, that's why it's important to make sure that when you need to crop an image, make sure that the image is, you will not crop important things in your photos. So once I've done this, I can just double click on the image, and you see the image is straightened. And of course, it might not be that precise, but the work is done. Let me undo that to see you another way to do this. So another option to do this is when you click on this tool here. If you go up here, you will see straighten. You click on this little ruler, and then you come here, you click, and you drag a line on the thing you want to straighten, and bang, right away the image is straightened, and it's automatic, and it's better than the option we just saw. So it will do the same thing and eliminate some parts of the image around it so that you can accomplish this. Right now I just double click, or I press return or enter on my keyboard, and it's done. We will now see a second option to do this, and it's important to point out that the effect doesn't work only on horizons or horizon image or straight image. It can work also on vertical ones. So I've got this tree, and I want it to be straight. It's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna be better, and maybe we're gonna use it in an image manipulation or whatever. So same thing. We come here. If you want to do it the manual way, the option is here. Just click and drag outside, and you're done. Or for me, I want to do it. I'm kind of lazy here, so I click on this tool here, and then the little ruler, click, I drag, I don't release, of course. Here, double click or return or enter on your keyboard, and you're done. That was it for doing that in Photoshop.